One step at a time. When I was little, my daddy took me to buy some eggs.
Hi, Dada. This is Woolly.
Oh, I love Wolly.
We didn't go to the shops. We went a long, long way to the country.
Willow.
Go and get Wolly.
Woolly came too. In the country, we went through a gate. We walked through some long grass.
Oh, this is exciting, isn't it?
We walked down a long, long lane. The long, long lane was very smelly. Stinky.
What's that smell, Daddy?
I think it's a cow.
I wanted to see the cow. I've never seen a real cow before.
I think the cows are busy.
Busy mooing, I said. At the end of the lane, we saw a scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
Oh, what's he missing? Big hat.
He put the scarecrow's hat on.
Whoa, look at that hat. What do you think? Look.
On his shoulder.
Let's put him on his shoulder. Whoa.
Really liked the scarecrow. I want to see the cow.
I see the cow.
No, we need to go and get eggs first.
Daddy said no, we had to get the eggs. We came to a farm.
Yeah, you can do the knocking, Willy.
I knocked on the door.
Oh, well done.
A giggly farmer opened the door.
Hello.
Hello!
I just wanted to get the eggs just now.
You come to get some eggs? Yeah, we better go and see the chickens then.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on.
The giggly farmer took us to see the chickens. I wanted to see the cow. The chickens laid some eggs for me and Daddy. We put them into a box. I picked them up and counted them.
That was good, wasn't it?
Thank you.
Thank
It's a
you.
pleasure.
Oh, there you go.
Bye-bye, Farmer Giggly. The long, long lane was very smelly.
Come on, Tig.
I wanted to see the cow. Moo!
Oh, what's that?
A big animal was looking at us. I don't like the big animal.
There's nothing to be scared of. It's all right.
It's only a cow, said Daddy. Don't like cows. Too big.
Come on. It's quite safe. It's behind a gate.
Not past the cow, I said.
Come on, we need to get home.
No,
Why not try it one step at a time?
Woolly whispered. Tig, one step at a time. It's easy. Okay, you go. Tig, one step at a time, like grandmother's footsteps. Come on, creep up on me. Saw you! Come on! Saw you again! Come on! Gotcha!
Oh, well done, Tig. That was brilliant. You walked past the cow.
You've passed the cow, he said.
Should we show the cow, Willy?
Yes.
Look, Woolly. Funny cow. Silly cow. It's only my toy spider.
Bye. Come on then.
Home now, said Daddy.
Yeah, come on then.
I like cows. And I love Woolly. We've been together since we were wee.
Daddy back already?
Hair wash day. One day, when I was little, my daddy came home early from work.
Had a good day.
It was nearly bath time, but Mummy said me and Daddy could play a little.
Okay, you two, there's time for a quick
Come on,
game
then.
before bath time.
Is Willy going to play as well?
Hide and seek, I said.
Okay, right.
Willy played too.
First, okay? Count.
Daddy head
Okay,
first.
cheating.
No peeping, he said.
1, 2,
I counted to 10. but I couldn't quite stop peeping.
9, 10, brushing up. Here I go.
I found Daddy behind the sofa. Woolly's turn to hide, I said.
Right, so 6, 7,
No peeping.
9, 10.
Woolly was hiding under a cushion.
Let's see, is he behind there?
Daddy found Woolly.
There you are. Now, it is going to be your turn to hide. And me and Wolly are going to both close our eyes and we'll count to 10, okay? You ready? No peeking, Wolly. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Daddy and Woolly opened their eyes.
The Wendy house. Are you in there, Tig?
They looked for a long, long time.
Anyone here?
Bath's done.
Will just be a minute.
Did you get the shampoo?
Shampoo? I like to have my bath, but I hated having my hair washed. I crept into my little house and hid some more.
There you go.
Don't be too long.
Tig, I think she's behind this curtain.
Daddy couldn't find me.
Wolly, she's not there.
I didn't want my hair washed.
I think she might be in our bedroom.
Mummy and Daddy looked all around the house for me.
Where's Tig?
Well, she's not in the living room.
Oh dear. Found you, Tig. No wonder we couldn't find you. You moved hiding places. No hair one. So that's it. You don't want your hair washed. Stingy. So close your eyes like in hide and seek. Eyes tight shut. No peeping, so nothing will get in your eyes. Then count to 10. 1 rubber dubber, 2 rubber dubber, 3 rubber dubber, 4 rubber dubber, 5 rubber dubber, 6 rubber dubber, 7 rubber dubber, 8 rubber dubber, 9 rubber dubber, 10 rubber dubber. Ping! All done. No more stings. Hey, Tig, go get your hair scrumpled.
Yeah, Rubber Dubber! I'm here, I shouted. I couldn't find you, said Daddy.
I didn't know you were hiding.
Come on before the bath gets cold.
Why don't we go and wash Wolly's hair as well?
Bath time, said Mum. Mummy washed my hair. I closed my eyes tight,
Cold. What do you
like in hide and seek.
think? It's too hot. But you can do it.
1 Rubber Dubber, 2 Rubber Dubber, 3 Rubber Dubber, 4 Rubber Dubber.
5 rubber dubber, 6 rubber dubber, 7 rubber dubber, 8 rubber dubber, 9 rubber dubber.
10 Rubber Dubber, and swish! When my hair was washed, there was a big splash, and Mummy jumped. Don't worry, Mummy.
And my toy spider.
Ah.
Mummy dried my hair. Daddy dried Woolly. I like having my hair washed.
So wet.
Oh,
So does Woolly. I love Woolly. We've been together since we were wee. I don't smile.
Get your photo taken, aren't you?
When I was little, I went to nursery school every day.
That's it, good girl. Let me take
Woolly came too.
Tig, you are going to...
One day, a man was coming to take our pictures.
You're going to look so pretty.
Mummy wanted me to look pretty. Oh, you do have a pretty new dress, said Claire, my nursery teacher.
Something very exciting's happening today, isn't it?
Claire said, because the man was coming to take our pictures,
So, I think we should put our aprons on to keep clean.
we had to keep clean. When we went outside, we took our aprons off and put on our coats. I found a puddle. I had fun jumping in the puddle. When I came back inside, I wanted to paint.
Tig, look at your socks. I'm going to have to get you some clean ones.
Oh dear, said Claire. Your socks are all wet and muddy. I painted a hand painting. Claire liked my painting.
Oh. Oh no, your dress.
forgot to put my apron on. My dress was covered in paint.
Changed and cleaned up.
Claire gave me some new clothes to wear. The man came to take our pictures. When the man finished clattering, he started taking photos. We took it in turns to have our picture. Say, you'll have to wait, said Claire. Mummy's coming with some clean clothes. I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to change my clothes. I wanted my picture now. I felt grumpy. Mummy arrived. She had another dress. Claire fiddled with my hair. I felt grumpy.
If she doesn't want to change, it doesn't matter.
Never mind, said Mummy. If she's happy in those clothes. But I wasn't happy. I still felt grumpy.
Who's next then?
Next, said the man. I sat on the chair.
Are you going to give me a great big smile?
Smile, said the man.
You sure?
I don't
want you to
smile,
smile.
I said.
Okay then.
The man pressed the camera. Next, said the man.
Are you next?
I watched the other children having pictures.
Whoa!
No one was grumpy, but I was grumpy.
Hey, Tig, it's not nice feeling grumpy. But there are so many little things that can make you feel grumpy. Brushing hair, pinchy hair slides, changing clothes, waiting for things to happen. Everything not being quite how you want it to be. But what can make you feel even grumpier is a grumpy face. And a grumpy face makes everyone else feel grumpy too. But if you smile, all the grumps will go away. Give a smile and make your grumpies go away. Give a smile and you'll feel happy all the day. Give a smile and all your grumpies will turn into your happies. Give a smile and make your grumpies go away. Go for it, Tig. Give a big smile for everyone.
Yes, I thought. I don't want to feel grumpy anymore. I want to smile. Make everyone feel happy again. So I sat on the chair and gave the biggest smile ever. When the man saw Woolly, he didn't smile.
It's only a tight spider.
Oh!
I love smiling. Mummy loves my smiling,
Oh, look, that's a lovely picture of you, Tig.
especially in the picture. And I love Woolly. We've been together since we were wee.
Here we are.
The beard. When I was little, I went to play with my friend Belle.
Hello. How are you?
Woolly came too.
Not at all.
Belle's house was big. There were lots and lots of rooms. We went exploring. There was a staircase to go up and down.
5.
There was a garden too. We saw Belle's big sister, Ruby. Ruby jumped on the trampoline. Belle showed me lots of places to hide and jump out. Then we played hide and jump out. Belle had a little brother called Finny. I played cards with Finny. Belle had a mummy called Anne. Anne was kind. She gave us a drink and a biscuit. Belle had a big sister called Lottie. Lottie had funny clothes and fancy shoes. Me and Belle dressed up.
Are you trying on my clothes?
Lottie laughed. Mummy came to take me home. No, I said. No. And I ran away with Belle and Wolly to hide. Anne said to Mummy I could stay for lunch.
Okay, have a lovely time. Bye.
Hooray!
Yay!
I like like being at Belle's house.
The boys are not allowed to peg.
Look at this, boys and girls. History's never always the way you think it's going to be.
At lunchtime, Anne made an apple pie.
A little bit more?
Belle said apple pie was her favourite.
You do?
I said apple pie was my favourite too.
Bit for Dad.
Oh dear, said Anne. Daddy's going to miss the apple pie.
Tell me you think it's nice.
Oh, I thought. I didn't know Daddy was coming to lunch.
Daddy's home. Hi, guys. Hello, Tig.
A man came and sat at the table. The man didn't look like a daddy. The man had hair all over his face.
Oh, apple pie. Special treat because Tig's here.
The man looked like a bear. I didn't like Belle's daddy. I didn't like my apple pie. I wanted to go home.
Hey, Tig, not all daddies look like your daddy. This daddy looks different. This daddy has a beard. This daddy's not fierce. It's just a bit hairy like a big friendly teddy bear.
He doesn't look like a friendly teddy bear.
Then just imagine he is a big friendly teddy bear. Look at him. Blink. And ting! He's a big friendly teddy bear.
I looked, blinked, and ting! Belle's daddy was a big friendly teddy. Then I thought, how could Belle's daddy eat his apple pie if he's only a teddy? Poor Belle's daddy. So I looked, blinked, and ting! Hooray! The teddy was Belle's daddy again.
There you see, Tig. Belle's daddy is just like a big friendly teddy bear. So eat up your apple pie. No more worries.
I think it's really, really nice.
After lunch, when Belle's daddy saw Wolly,
No!
he was scared.
It's only a toy spider.
You got a toy spider?
Thank you so much.
When Mummy collected me, I told her all about Belle's dad having a beard. I like going to play with Belle. I love Wolly. We've been scared since we were wee.
Tig, here we are.
Panda.
At the zoo.
When I was little, my daddy took me to see the animals at the zoo. I wanted to see a panda.
Right, Tig. This is where we get the safari bus. We're gonna have to wait for a bit.
We had to wait for a special bus to see the animals.
Look at all the toy
We waited in a
animals.
little shop.
Do you know what? Can you name it?
There are lots of toy animals in the shop. I didn't want a toy animal. I have Wolly.
Let's go and see what's right.
Then I saw some pandas.
Wow.
Daddy, can I get a panda?
Can I have a toy panda, Daddy?
We're gonna go and see a real panda.
Please, Daddy. No, Tig, said Daddy. I was grumpy. Come on, said Daddy. Here's the bus.
Let's go and wait in the bus now. I think it's just coming. Yep.
The bus was all stripy, but I didn't want to go in the stripy bus. I wanted a panda. I was grumpy. We saw lots of different animals. Wallabies, pink flamingos, an African wild dog. We saw a chimp. Up and up the hill we went. We saw a cow. Daddy was excited. I was grumpy. I wanted a toy panda. When we got off the bus, we saw a tiger. We saw a panther. We saw a big lion. We saw a leopard, but Daddy didn't see. I was grumpy. I wanted a toy panda.
We've got to play. Right, Tig.
We went over a wooden bridge
This is us walking through.
to a little hut. Daddy didn't look at me. Daddy looked at zebras. This is just like Africa, said Daddy.
Tig, it's just like the African plains.
I was grumpy.
Hey, Tig, It's not nice when you want something and you can't have it. It can make you feel grumpy. But hey, Tig, being grumpy can stop you enjoying what you do have. Whee! Being grumpy stops you seeing all the amazing things around you. The real animals that you've never seen before. The zebras. The flamingos. Whee! The lions. The tigers. Whee! And the pandas. Not toy pandas, but real pandas. So go for it, Tig. Have a look at the real pandas. And hey, Tig, if you want a cuddly toy, you've always got me.
Yes, I thought. I don't want to be grumpy.
Yes, Tig.
Daddy, I'm sorry. I haven't got a toy panda, but I'm going to see a real panda.
Should we go and see is this where the pandas are?
I like seeing the panda. The panda ate a lot of food. When the panda saw Wolly, he just looked.
It's only a toy spider, Squeaky.
Then the panda went to sleep.
Oh, he's going back to sleep. Night, night.
At the shop,
Right.
Daddy said,
Let's have a look
"Do you
over
want
here."
a toy panda now, Tig?" "No," I said. "I've seen a real panda. But my ears might get cold."
I want earmuffs.
"Can I please have panda earmuffs instead?" I like the real panda. I like real animals.
It's good fun, wasn't it?
I love Wolly.
I love Woolly and